Choosing a flooring underlayment can be overwhelming, especially since there are so many out there for many types of flooring. But choosing to not use the right underlayments can develop problems down the road. Understanding these 3 common flooring problems by using TrafficMaster fiber underlayment found at the Home Depot can help to eliminate the number of installation callbacks drastically. The first common problem is the click-together mechanism failing. A floor needs support for those vulnerable adjoining points in the floor. Think of a floating floor as strength in numbers. Each plank gains strength from the other board it's connected to. The entire floor clicked together is stronger and more durable than the planks by themselves. You will want an underlayment that is dense and will support flooring together and will not crush or break down over time under the weight of common traffic over your floors. It's common to see foam-based underlayments in the market touting many similar benefits, but it's important to think of foam underlayments as a small representation of packing bubbles. Squeeze the air out of the underlayment and you have lost the support. The dense fiber makeup of the TrafficMaster fiber underlayment will not crush over time and will support the click mechanism. Flooring materials with pre-attached pads on them are a convenient idea, but are equally susceptible to failure over time as well. Typically, the flooring materials that pre-attach an underlayment to the bottom side of each plank are made from a foam-based product that's not very supportive. Plus, it offers no support at joints. This is where the support is needed the most. Having a quality and dense underlayment material that rolls out under the entire floor, like TrafficMaster fiber underlayment, will give the proper uncrushing support to the joints of the entire floor. The second common flooring problem is noise when walked across. Floating floors without the proper dense constructed underlayment beneath them will inherently have a hollow sound. Again, because of the material makeup of TrafficMaster fiber underlayment, it helps to make the floating floors sound and feel much more solid underfoot. The third problem, and probably one of the biggest ones, is moisture protection, especially in concrete subfloors. Moisture of any kind can wreak havoc to all flooring products. Be careful when choosing floors that claim to be waterproof. Even those floors have limitations. TrafficMaster fiber underlayment will protect the floors from moisture that lurks below in concrete by allowing the concrete to breathe. All concrete subfloors will emit moisture as vapors. We can't see these vapors until we trap them. Foam-based underlayments offer protection by simply covering up moisture, ultimately trapping the vapors. Flooring products that offer underlayment pre-attached offer exposure of moisture at the joints. TrafficMaster rolls out entirely under the floor and manages the harmful moisture that is especially present in concrete, but can be used over wood subfloors as well. Get your flooring jobs done better with TrafficMaster fiber underlayment, found at the Home Depot.